Question 25. So this is a shear force calculation for a rather complicated loaded beam, and we want to know what the shear force value is at 8 meters. So remember, for a problem like this, think about there's possibly one or two ways to solve it. One is sort of a standard way, imagine things sweeping from left to right. And then maybe it might be best to look at things that are just on your right. Decide what you're going to do, work out what that value is going to be at 8, and when you're ready, press play and see if you got it right. I should have stopped the video there. So hopefully you got one of those values. If you haven't, stop the video again, give it another go until you get one of those values. Then press play. Hopefully you get the minus 51. Right, so the stupid way to do it would be to go through from left to right and say, well, first I've got 21 going upwards, then I've got my UDL, use my formula for that. My formula would be minus 12 times by x take away 2, and then plot those values out. So we would have 21 take away 12, what's the distance from here to here? It's 6. So 21 take away 12 times 6, which will give me 21 take away 72, which gives me minus 51. So that's the one way to do it. A way to do it would be to switch your convention, if you're used to this now, and say to yourself, well, I've now got two forces here that I can see. So I could have the 20 is coming down. So the 20 I will treat as a positive. 8 coming down, so I'll treat that as a positive because it's right of me. So I'm just at this point here, just right of this point here. So we could then say we've got 28 positive, minus 79 coming down because we're looking right of that line there. So we've got minus 79 plus 28, and then that gives us minus 56, minus 51. Right, so there's two ways you could solve that. I think probably looking right to use probably easier. You might go wrong with conventions and signs and whatnot. So if you're happy sticking with just sweeping through your beam going from left to right, then stick with that.